Hey guys, Sylvia here and welcome to my MarketJam review. So this is my MarketJam review and today I'll tell you why I am actually so happy that I have found this software. I've never seen anything like that really. Well, this software is going to obviously build a marketplace for yourself, so it can replace beautifully, websites like Fiverr.com and other websites where you can sell your products and so on, right? But there are so many benefits to using MarketJam instead of using Fiverr.com or its likes, right? So yeah, you can obviously sell your own services on that platform using the software, but you also have you will have the commercial, which will be a commercial license, so you can sell your clients services. So you can offer your clients that you will build like a marketplace for them as well. Plus you can also sell the software, but there's so much more to it. So guys, let's dive in. Let's check out the sales page. I have the full demo. It's like 25 minutes long demo for you, and I'll drop the link of that demo below my video. And I also have some surprise with my some freebies from me, but on this channel my focus are not the freebies, the bonuses, because there's like an ocean of those. Like if you don't know how to use those bonuses, I mean, what good is that? My focus on this channel, I mean, I am committed to picking the best products out there and bringing them to light, and basically advising you whether it's good to go or not so. So yeah, let's check out the website, not the website, the sales page, what they say. So MarketJam, top agencies and freelancers are quickly moving away from Fiverr, Freelance and UpWork to MarketJam. Get instant access to the world's first one-click Fiverr, Freelance and UpWork-like marketplace builder that will easily drive unlimited clients, leads and a higher amount with no skills required. Commercial and agency license included, as I already mentioned. So you will have your own admin dashboard and you can sell unlimited services. So no monthly fees. No monthly fee ever, I will promise to you. Your own professional marketplace like Fiverr, Freelance, UpWork, fully cloud-based platform, sell unlimited services to hungry buyers, one-click setup. No tech skills required, works for any niche, sell unlimited services. Charge any amount to your customers, absolutely, it's up to you. Commercial and agency license included. $200 refund if it doesn't work for you. Interesting. Okay, all right, let's scroll down. Let's see what else they have got to say. So step number 1, how you go about it: purchase MarketJam and log into the dashboard. Step number 2 is one-click setup for your own Fiverr, Freelance, UpWork like marketplace. And step number 3 is add unlimited services and get unlimited earnings. Okay, so here's like the okay, let's scroll further down. That was just like some we have already discussed it, the benefits which come with this software. Okay, let's scroll further down. These sales pages are rather lengthy. I just want to find this spot where they compare MarketJam to Fiverr.com, and you will see, I mean, how much better off you will be by using MarketJam. And this is the guys behind this software who have put it together, and they've done the demo for you. The demo is great. I'll put the link to the demo below my video. Okay. what I find interesting, like here I also found like a huge list of all services you can obviously offer to your customers on this platform. So like landing page, funnel building, graphic designing, video marketing, video creation, content writing, online marketing, voiceover, copywriting, audio editing, content building, web development, consultation, stock collection, translation, SEO, Facebook ads, ebook, digital marketing services, gaming, chatbots, and the list goes on and on and on and on. But you see, this is like, that's what they say. They literally, with this, you literally have no competition. Because with Fiverr.com, it's like, it's saturated, okay? It's oversaturated. And this platform would be your own marketplace. So like competition with other sellers, zero competition. And with Fiverr.com, obviously thousands of competitors. Yeah. When it comes to list building, you keep the list. And in that software, you will have the feature where you can hook up your autoresponder. You can integrate your autoresponder, and you're also like building up your email list. But with Fiverr.com, they actually keep the emails, right? When it comes to profile sharing, so there is zero fees, and with Fiverr.com, you actually have to give them 20%. So yeah, with Marketplace, you keep all of the profit for yourself. Buying mood. Okay, buying mood. Okay, so yeah, this is like you are building will be building like a personal relationship with your buyers. So if you have like some skills you can offer, if you do quality work, your buyers like it, obviously they will come back to you, because you will be building like this trust. It's all about trust as well. So if they're happy with your service, obviously they will come back to you. But with Fiverr, you have so much competition, so they are likely to people who have previously bought from you, if they see some like cheaper services and stuff like that on Fiverr.com, they may try someone else, right? So you can personalize everything on Marketplace. So, it can be like personalized, but with Fiverr.com, no. Profile page, yes, you will have a profile page. On Fiverr.com, you don't have one. Limitation, no limitations. And on Fiverr.com, 7. A maximum 7 services allowed. Okay, I didn't even know that. Wow, cool. So here you have no limitations. You can sell any services. Heavy price. Yeah, you can charge whatever you want. And on Fiverr.com, other people can charge much less. Okay, and there is you'll always find someone who charges less than you, and they'll attract buyers, obviously, because they offer cheaper services. And when it comes to customer review, so it's 100% in your control. You can choose what you want to publish and what you don't want to publish. Okay, this is your own marketplace. On Fiverr.com, well, there's a bad review, you can't remove it. All right, I think that one thing they haven't really mentioned here is like on Fiverr.com, your account can be actually suspended. So you're not in charge. This is and here with MarketJam, you are your own boss. All right. And here we come to the end of the sales page. So here's the bonuses they give you on top of just the front end. So logo jam. So it will help you create logos and icons in any niche. Then the next one, this designer jam. So when it comes to graphics, images, and all of that, so bonus number 2. Bonus number 3 is 100% plus marketing emails. Cool. Bonus number 4, check this out, 80% discount on all upgrades, guys. Get 80% instant discount on purchase of all upgrades. This is cool, huh? This is a very exclusive bonus which will be taken down soon. Okay, so you may want to hurry up. On all upgrades, 80%, so you're just paying 20%. Okay, and bonus number 5, unlimited agency license. You have full rights to use the software. You can use it for anyone, whether for individuals or for companies. Generate massive free traffic, sales, and leads to yourself and for others as well. So yeah, you can use it for your clients too. So not only for yourself to sell your services, but you can offer people to build their own marketplace and charge them thousands. I mean, at least like 500 pounds or dollars. Okay. All right, and obviously you get the money back guarantee. All right, guys. Now here I have a discount. Just to let you know, I'll put these coupons for you. So Market 5. Oh, you can actually pause it, guys, here. Okay. So you get $5 discount because it goes live today, 22nd of August. So from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. you get 5 on 22nd of August. So today you get 5% discount and then you will get 3% discount. So you can just pause it and these are the coupons you can use to, buy it for a bit cheaper. And here I have like a full demo for you. Obviously, guys, I'll just start playing it so you can see how well explained that is. I could like kind of go through it, pause it and talk over it, but I guess there is no point. I'll not pretend to be like some kind of expert on this. I cannot explain it any better than those guys who have actually excuse me, who have created this software. So it's like almost 25 minutes long demo, a full demo of how to set everything up and how to go through every single of these features. So, because again, the link to this demo will be below my video. Watch it if you are thinking of buying the software. And from my end, it's like a really good to go software. I'm so happy I found it and I can actually promote it because I am promoting it with all my heart. I love quality products. So yeah, do watch it before you decide to buy it. So, you can see whether you will be comfortable with it. It is quite complex, but hey, if you have some like skills, obviously if you want to make money, you need skills, right? If you have some skills, you want to sell, if you have some like services, this is going to build a marketplace for you guys. Okay, so yeah, obviously then you will have to run some like Google ads or Facebook ads or YouTube ads to it, so people can find you. But actually on my bonus page, I give you access to all sorts of like free products, and you can find information on traffic or on anything you want, okay, on my bonus page, but we will get to that. But here, check it out. I'll start playing it for you, and I'll stop it after 1 minute because it's too lengthy.
Hello guys, welcome to you, and in this video I'll walk you through everything in MarketJam admin dashboard and how you can set up your marketplace and how you can set up your services as a seller, and how you can create your services categories, how you can manage everything as an admin and as a seller. So in MarketJam you can create your marketplace like Fiverr, where anyone can register as a seller or as a buyer. So it's totally up to you how you market your marketplace. Like you can attract both the buyer and seller, or you can just become the seller yourself and sell just your own services like every other freelancers out there. But the best part about this platform is you control everything. By everything I mean prices, the
Okay, here we go. You see, not only will they like explain to you what marketplace is all about, but then they will go through the whole setup, and they'll just to you how use every single of these features. So yeah, as they have mentioned, you are in full control. You the boss, you use it how you want it, and you don't have to share the profits. You can use it for yourself, you can use it also for your clients. Okay, I love it. So the demo will be below my video. Do watch that demo, guys. I just want to repeat it once again because, inform yourself properly and obviously before you spend the money. Alright, so here we are on my bonus page, guys. I have created this bonus page from scratch. So you have the link to my bonus page below my video. And if you decide to buy MarketJam, you can buy it obviously via this bonus page. So click on the link below my video. It's going to take you to this bonus page, and you just have to click here to secure the copy and your bonuses, and then you will be taken to the sales page where you click here to get started. So that's how you buy it. Okay, guys, as you can see on my bonus page, I have the same information for you. We have all of the prices. So the front end goes at $17, but there is some discount, either $5 or $3 if you hurry up. And here we have all of the upsells. So the Pro is for $37, then OTO2 MarketJam Stock Edition $47, and then we have OTO free MarketJam free host, so it's about hosting for $67. OTO4 is MarketJam Enterprise for $27. OTO5 is MarketJam Done For You Edition for $27, and the white label, so you can sell it as your own product and keep 100% commission throughout the whole funnel, is for $6.97. Okay, I have put a full description of what is under every single of those upsells right here, as you can see. So you can read through it and educate yourself, inform yourself as to what you would be getting with these upsells. And there is that bonus right on the sales page that actually gives you 80% discount on all of the upsells, which is crazy. You may want to take advantage of it, if that's something you want to invest in. Alright, so here's the goodies I have mentioned. So free goodies. Okay, here I give you a link to a website, guys, where you literally get access to thousands of free ebooks, software, videos, audio, graphics, and templates you can possibly think of. Okay, you just have to register for free, and it's yours. And like on my channel, my focus is not to talk about bonuses. My focus is to pick the best quality products and bring them again to light, and talk about them, give you the pros and cons and the benefits of getting that particular product, so you understand what you're actually going for. Alright, and then we have the vendor bonuses that I have already shown you on the sales page, and you will get access to them inside the members area. So once you buy it, you get instant access to the vendor bonuses. Okay, again, to buy it, guys, just click one of these orangey yellowish buttons, and then you will this is on Warrior Plus platform. So my bonuses will be here. The link to my thousands of bonuses is here, where you see this blue circle button, and the green one will be where you access on Warrior Plus, on your Warrior Plus account, where you access MarketJam and all of the vendor bonuses. Alright, guys, so we have come to the MarketJam review. I shall hope you have enjoyed my review. I shall hope you are sharing my enthusiasm about this software. It is super cool. I mean, I've never seen anything like that, and I'm so excited. I mean, you really take your business in your own hands. You're the boss. You don't have to share your profits or with anyone. You can use it to help your own clients as well. Sky is the limit, or is it? I don't know. Maybe not even sky is the limit. I think the mind is the limit, right? But no, let's not get too philosophical here. Yeah, if that's something for you, you can get it via the link below my video, via my bonus page. You get to the sales page, and that's how you purchase MarketJam. Alright, ciao, have a beautiful day. Thank you for sticking with me till the end, and I shall see you in my next review. Ciao!